What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Easy, back with a bit of a different video today. I'm going to teach my friend how to ride a bike, and he's going to ride this bike. It's just a little 125 pit bike that has practically no brakes. The front brakes are more like suggestions, and the rear brake is non-existent. So look at that, nothing. So I'm going to teach one of my very good friends how to ride a bike for the first time, and he's going to learn on this. A bit of open paddock. Hopefully he doesn't bin it too bad. If he does, I'll have it on I'll have it on camera. You ready? All right, jump on. All we're going to do for now is pull this one all the way in, and I'm going to push this, and it's going to put you in the gear. The bike's going to clunk forward a little bit, so just be ready for that. Hold on. Remember where your hand is too? Yep. Alright, so what we're going to do is you're just going to let the clutch out, you're going to feel it, and it's just going to move forward. None of this. Don't turn this at all. Okay. Just let the bike sort of go forward, and just go a couple of meters, pull this in. A couple of meters, pull this in. Yeah? Alright. So I'm going to be right here. Yep. So keep one foot on, and as you start to go, just lift that foot up. Yep. Now pull it in. Yep, that's it. Remember what I said? If it gets too much, you pull this in. Look at you! You're riding a motorbike! Yeah. Alright, pull everything in. Pull them in. Completely in. Use all your fingers. So grab it like that. How was that? Not too bad? Yeah. I'll do your strap up properly too. So what we're going to leave it in. Yeah. I'm just going to take it out of gear. Yeah. So it's like a half a click. Ease that out. See if the bike creeps. Yeah, perfect. All right, look up. D-ring ring things with gloves on. Not easy. Alright, so remember what I said? Pull this all the way in, click that down, you'll feel a clunk. Yeah. Where's his hand? Relax it, right down, yeah, like that. So you can only give it a tiny little bit of throttle. Yeah. And if you take off a bit, you're not going to pull the throttle on. Yeah. Alright, so start to ease this one out, but when you start to move, pull that foot up, right? Yeah. So yeah, and just go wherever the wheel takes you. Yeah, there you go. And if at any point you want to stop, pull that in. Yeah, yep. You can let it out a little more if you want, like it. Yeah, you're doing really well. Alright, pull it in. Pull your other brake in. And there we are. Alright. Let it go. Remember, still in gear. Yeah. So keep that all the way in. Yeah. See if you can feel for a half gear. So put your foot under it, and and rock it back and forward, and you'll feel a little click. Oh, yes. Yeah. Yeah. Let go. And it should now, if we're in neutral, we should be able to roll forward a little bit. Yeah, look at that. There you go. If you clicked it up again, you'll be in second gear. But you don't want to worry about second gear yet. No. Okay. Well, that was good. That was good. So what we're going to do, we'll do it again, but we'll start giving it a little bit more throttle. start getting like a little bit more comfortable with that, and then we'll worry about changing gears.
Okay.
But how'd you find that? You found it alright?
Yeah.
Not too scary?
No, not at all.
Alright, you ready to go? Pull it all the way in, yep. You feel the click? Push it down hard.
Push down, right?
There, you feel the click, yeah? Remember where that wrist is, relax it just a little, yeah? Probably bring it up a little bit so you've got a little bit more throttle to give. Because we want to try and get a little bit quicker this guy. You reckon? You reckon you're comfortable with that?
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. If you want to go quicker, you let that out. Yeah, no, you're right, you're right. You're good. Right, everything in. Yes, nice. Huh? You want to go up the hill?
You don't have to come because you don't have to run up the hill.
No, I'll come with you. Like, I'd hate for you to get up there and stack it or something and I not be there. See, that's pretty much max top first gear, so you're not going to go like crazy fast.
Yeah. Was that really the end of first gear?
That's all the first gear is. It's literally just to get you moving. So keep going, up the hill, let's go. Go all the way up, let's go. That's it. Yep. Everything in, everything in. Yep. So, give yourself where you want to keep going up.
Yeah.
Alright, so now it's just a bit of a hill start. So same principle, you're just going to have to give it a little bit as you go. We'll push it up a little bit. I'm so puffed. Think about where your rest is. Just go down straight, yeah. Yeah, you should be fine. Keep going. That's it, that's it. That's it. Smooth movements, small movements. Yeah. Alright, give it a bit more, let's go. That's it. Hold it there, hold it there. That's it, hold it. That's first gear maxed out pretty much. Alright, everything in. Yeah. See if you can get it into neutral. Do you want to start worrying about second gear yet?
No, maybe.
Huh?
Maybe just leave it at first.
For now? Yeah.